Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can delete your Wiber Pay account. So this deletion won't delete your Wiber account, but just the Wiber Pay section with your payment information and your Wiber Pay card. So let's get right into it. Now, first off, once you open up your Wiber app, you would just need to go to the Pay section of the app, which is right here as you can see. And once you're on the Pay section, to delete your Wiber Pay account, you would just need to tap on your profile right here at the top of the screen, and then just scroll down to the bottom until you can see the Privacy tab. So just go ahead and select Privacy. And right here, you should be able to see Delete Wiber Pay Account option. So let's go ahead and tap on that. And then to close your Wiber Pay account, just go ahead and tap on Close Account. After that, you would just need to input the PIN or the password that you set for your Wiber Pay account. And then the account will be deleted. So essentially guys, that's how you can delete or close your Wiber Pay wallet or your Wiber Pay account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.